Good day to everyone. My name is Sahana and I am 11 years old. I'm studying at Sekolah Kebangsaan Jalan Geni 2 and my school code is WBB0059. Today I have three novels with me. I would like to review my favorite novels, which is The Rumor by Leslie Cara. Do you ever heard about it? Let me share to you. There's a thin line between gossip and murder. It's not a quiet thriller, it's a social grenade. And once it goes off, no one walks away clean. The Rumor by Leslie Cara is a gripping and psychological thriller that explores the devastating impact of gossip and suspicions in a tight-knit community. At its heart is Johanna Critchley, a single mother trying to rebuild her life in her seaside hometown with her young son Alfie. In an effort to fit in with the local parents, Johanna carelessly repeats a piece of gossip about a notorious child killer living undercover in their town, and that moment becomes the spark that ignites a wildfire for fear, speculation, and paranoia. This novel generates around a woman rumored to be a child killer living under a new identity in a quiet seaside town. Cara's novel showcases how rumor can spiral beyond anyone's control, tainting reputation and turning neighbors against one another. The story unfolds through Johanna's perspective as the fallout remarks grew increasingly pulling in accusation, online harassment, and a desperate hunt for the truth. The suspense builds as she struggles with her conscience, the effect of her action on her son, and the terrifying possibility that someone might really be living among them with a dark past. In the end, the rumor is a thriller. It is a warning. Cara exposed the destructive power of gossip in the digital age, irreversible damage it can cause. The novel leaves readers unsettled and reflecting how when fears take hold. Overall, the rumor is a gripping and proof was as dangerous as weapons. Do you ever heard about cyberbullying? Let me share to you. Cyberbullying from rumors and fake accounts. Actress Inta Najwa harassment case 2026. A fake account spread harmful content about her. The results. She faces months of harassment, police report filed, and she got into emotional distress. The connection between my story and latest issue are the rumors don't just stay as talks. They evolve into harassment and psychological thriller. As a student, I determined myself to be the best reader so that I can build my knowledge and enhance my reading habits and share with my other friends. As a school prefect, my roles are to build discipline and leadership. If I'm a both, it means I'm smart with knowledge and responsible leadership 100%. Beyond that, every weekend I have my own personal activities such as athletics and netball training. Later to my drum class. After that to my tuition. And lastly to Silambam martial art, which is our Indian heritage martial art. Recently, I have passed my belt grading, which was double jumping. I am very happy to be part of all these activities. That's all from me. Thank you.